The warning no fuse in a Dodge Caravan or Grand Caravan means that there is something wrong in the electrical connections in the vehicle, and most likely the heart of the problem is in the fuse box under the hood. It may or may not be a blown fuse or relay, but first of all, you need to make sure that the vehicle gets proper voltage at all times. The best thing you can do is to check your 12-volt battery with a load tester and see if it still has some health in it. Also, have a look at the battery terminals. They may just be corroded or loose and cause this warning to pop up randomly. After that, you need to look at the fuses and relays in the box. Even though the internet is full of information that the fuel pump, relay and fuse have something to do with this, I've personally seen 3 cases with this no fuse message being triggered by the instrument cluster fuse being blown. For example, in the Grand Caravan, it's this 20 amp fuse here. Somehow it carries a lot of functions, including power to the multifunction relay and some functions of the instrument cluster, so it makes sense to swap it with any other 20 amp fuse and see if the problem disappears. After that, I would check all fuses and relays connected with ignition, fuel delivery and starter. You may test them with multimeters, testers, or just swap them with other identical fuses and relays and one by one eliminate the suspects. If this doesn't help, there is a very high chance that either the fuse box itself has a corroded connection somewhere, or there is a problem in the wiring that is extremely hard to locate. In such cases, you will only need professional help. There is nothing much you can do without proper tools and knowledge. Unfortunately, electrical gremlins are extremely common for Dodge vans, and they may be hard to locate and solve, even for professional car electricians.